Good evening, everybody. I want to recognize His Majesty, the Obi of Onitsha. I doff my hat for you, sir. The PG Ohaneze Ndigbo Chief Nyawodo and Dr. Eliazu, Chairman of the Association. I want to thank every one of us that have spoken. We've spoken very well. I want to talk on a little bit on integration of the Igbo nation. There are a lot that has to be done within the larger Igbo-speaking group. The minorities which I represent, my name is Andy Wabali. I'm an Ikwerre. I'm from Ikwerre. I'm from Isiokpo in Ikwerre local government. My people, we call ourselves the Ikwerre people. And our relationship, I want to dwell very much on our relationship and what the way forward that will go, since this is Ohaneze, yesterday, present, and in the future. I see myself very much as an Igbo man, but I will want Ohaneze going forward to address a lot of issues around it. We have to be very strategic. We're entering into a nation that everybody is planning. If we go planless, it will be a very big problem for us in the future. We cannot remove our neighborliness. We cannot remove our Igbo-ness in us. We will continue to be part of the larger Igbo-speaking group. It is disheartening that my people, the Ikwerre people, are always victimized within the context of our unity, within the larger Igbo group. It could be seen from different perspectives. One, due to the failure of the larger Igbo-speaking group to accommodate the Ikwerre people, the Ikwerre people, and other minority, other ethnic-speaking, Igbo-speaking group within, take my own state. I will talk about Rivers State now. Two, the failure of the larger Igbo-speaking group to really understand our distinctiveness and our culture and our tradition. It is very, very important that there is an understanding of the people who we are and our relationship in the Igbo Union. The failure of the larger Igbo group to respect our value system. I'll give you a typical example. I grew up to know that every person I talk with, they tell me, oh, we changed our name from Umu to Rumo. In my dictionary, in our dictionary, even up to documents before the Civil War, we had our names. We had our names, our towns as Rumo. But people changed it and were taking ownership of us. We will want all those to change. And the levity with which the larger Igbo-speaking group take issues that pertain to the Ikwerre-Igbo and other Igbo-speaking minorities in Rivers State. We have always welcomed to be part and parcel of the larger Igbo group from time of the defunct Igbo Union. It will be recalled that the first meeting of the Igbo Union was held in Port Harcourt. It was the reception of Dr. Ong, the first medical doctor of Igbo origin in 1932. My people wholeheartedly accepted the Igbo-ness by ensuring that our names emanated from the larger Igbo group. Names like Nnamdi, names like Chidi, names like Chinyere, names like Chima, a lot of other names, we wholeheartedly accepted it. We changed a lot of things to show that we are Igbos. But unfortunately, our larger brothers have always treated us with levity. We have in the past shown a lot of loyalty to the larger group. It should be recalled that even after the Civil War, we continue after the Civil War with the larger Igbo group. We don't forget that it was impossible to win elections in Ikwerre land if you are not an NCNC person. I'm a fourth generation of educated people in my place. My both grandparents were pioneer councillors, Ikwerre County Council. So my both grandparents too were pioneer teachers and pioneer bankers in my ethnic Ikwerre group. We supported NCNC. In fact, my grandfather on the other side failed the election because he supported Action Group. And he always fails the election in my place because he supported Action Group. But the other side, my grandfather on my mother's side